Hi guys, this is Manish and in today's video we're going to do the unboxing of this Amazfit GTR Smartwatch. We're going to find out that what are the components, and after the showing of the components in this video I'm going to show you that how easily you can set up this Amazfit Smartwatch with your phone. So watch this video till the end so you can have the total guidelines and the total walk through that how you can easily set up this smartwatch with the help of your smartphone. So without wasting time, let me just quickly show you the components of this Amazfit GTR Smartwatch. So this is the smartwatch under 10,000 rupees. This is the Amazfit GTR version, which is in the round shape. We have another watch which is the name of the Amazfit GTS version, which is in the square shape as symmetric as with your Apple iWatch. So over the box over here, you're able to see the AMOLED display, continuous heart rate, water resistant 250 meters, long lasting battery, and with this smartwatch they're claiming that your battery will last approximately around 20 days to 24 days, and smartphone notification and multi-sports modes. This is the GPS Plus enabled, so I bought it myself because I wanted a GPS enabled under the price range of around 10,000 rupees. Right now on the Flipkart you will get it around 10,999. But with some instant discount going on with some cards, you will be able to get the 10% discount and it will cost you around under the 10,000 rupees. On the back of the box, you're able to see the Bluetooth version, and over here you're able to see the Amazfit version and the input voltage of 5 watts with the 500 ampere. This is the model number of A1902, compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 or above. So if you're still running on the Android 4 or on the iOS version of the 8 or 7, this smartwatch will not work as smooth as it used to be. The package contains the smartwatch with the strap, charging base and instruction manuals. And over here on the beneath of the box, again you're able to find the price. The price which you have written over here is around 14,000 rupees, but as I said that you can get it around 10,000 rupees if some discount is going on a particular cards. So this is the month and year of import, which is the latest of the September 2019. Let me just quickly unbox it for you and show you the components which are inside this box. As soon as you open up it, you're able to see again a box. So let me just quickly take it out. So inside the box there is nothing, so let's keep this aside. So this is your Amazfit box, a smart box in the white symmetric shape, and let me just quickly open up it. So this is your Amazfit smartwatch. Let's quickly take it out. It is of the 47 meters. The strap which you can see on the end to end, it is of the 47 meters. And moreover, inside the box, let me just quickly keep it inside. So let's just compare it later on. And inside the box, you're able to see manual, a heavy manual I should say, that you're getting it with this Amazfit. So it's showing you that what application should you download, and it's in the multi-language, so you're able to find your particular language. Even in the Chinese is there and English is there, so whatever the language suits you, you can read it from this instruction manuals. So this is the manual which you are getting it, and this is the charging base which you are getting with this Amazfit smartwatch. A normal charging base, and your watch can be strapped over here, so like this. So this is a magnetic base, so which is again a good thing which you are getting it with this smartwatch, so you don't have to keep it like where should I keep it. And this is your normal USB port. This you can keep it with your normal charger which you're using for your phone. Even you can plug it in to your laptop. So let's keep this all aside and focus now on the smartwatch. So this is the normal smartwatch which you are getting it. Is on the side of that you are getting the 2-button one, which is of the power on and off, and this is for your normal changing out the various modes, or the various modes which you can check whether it is for your workout, whether it's your notification. You can turn it on or off or change it from this button. And you're getting a leather strap over here. So beneath it you're getting the heart rate monitoring, which you're getting it over here with the 3 straps, and this is made of a polycarbon, which is again a good trick, The strap is good. You can change it by using this button. If you want to have another strap like a black, blue, whatever color suits you, you can change it easily from over here. And moreover, they say this is Amazfit, this is the strap, this is of 47 mm. So let me just quickly show you that how easily you can sync it with your phone. To start pairing your smartwatch, you need to have your smartphone. In that, you need to go to Play Store. Once into Play Store, you need to download the Amazfit app. So I'm just searching it, the Amazfit app. So the app which you get is of the Amazfit, and you simply need to install. So one of the interesting things which they have written over there, it contains ads. So my sort of experience, if the ads comes too much into the application and while using the smartwatch, it will just be spoiled. So it has a rating of 3.5, 1 million downloads. Quickly downloading it, and let me just quickly open it as soon as it's download. So this is the app. As soon as you open it, it's saying me to sign in or sign up. I don't have an account in the Amazfit, so I'm doing the sign up for the first time. India recommended. Next. I've read and enroll in user experience program. I don't want it. Select sign up method. So I already have an MI account over here, so I'm going to do the sign in through my MI account. So as soon as you sign in, it will ask for your personal information like name, gender, date of birth, height and weight. This height and weight is important because it will calculate your BPM according to that and recommend you that what sort of exercise or you should need to do. You can even add the picture if you do the first sign up you are using your Amazfit application. Let me again quickly fill it and show you afterwards. So after the sign up, it will show you that the World Health Organization recommends to exercise for 40 minutes daily. Walk is around 8,000 steps. I'm doing it right. I'm just setting it that I should walk around for the 8,000 steps. And that's my normal routine, which is doing the, so allow Amazfit to access photos, media and files on device. I'm just allowing it. So this is my weight, which you get showing it, and still needs 800 steps to reach the goal. So over here, you're able to see the no pair device, tap to pair. I'm just selecting it. So over here you're able to see the three, the watch, the band and the smart shoes. So I'm just pressing for the watch, and here you need to find out your watch. Mine is Amazfit GTR. Amazfit GTR, which I told you is come in the circular shape and is as equivalent as to your smartwatch of the Apple, which is of the Apple iWatch. So I'm going for the Amazfit GTR. Access to location service and cameras are required in order to connect to device via Bluetooth. Got it. So allow and allow to access this location. Location is normally important because you need to have, so it's asking me to pair with the Amazfit QR code shown on the watch. I just don't turn it on. I'm just turning it on right now. To turning on my smartwatch, you need to press only for the one time. So as soon you turn it on, it's showing me the QR code and showing me that download the app binding watch. So again, I'm going to scan it. So it's showing me the pairing option. Keep the watch close to your phone. Confirm pairing on the watch. So it's showing me the accept pairing request. I said yes. Pairing is going on. It will take quite a couple of seconds. The pairing has been done and the storing watch settings. Settings of previous device will be restored after you replace the device. So whatever smartwatch I have over the settings over here can be simply restored over here. So as soon as you turn it on, it's saying the updating firmware. Keep the watch close to your phone. I'm keeping it. And over here you're able to see that it's updating. So a new firmware should be there. So it is good thing that as soon as I open it, it starts showing me the updating version. So the whole update has been done successfully. It's updating the GPS, which is of the 3%. The time is showing it right now onto the smartwatch. Let's come closer and show you. So you're able to see the time is running out very much fine. And so updating GPS has been done onto the smartwatch. So let me just open up this menu. As soon as it opens, it's showing me the battery percentage of 65%, which is again a good thing, which is showing it right now into my smartwatch. So we have the various watch spaces over here. Whichever suits you, you can do it like that. For the time being, I'm going to keep it as it is because I like this feature of this smartwatch or this face. So we have various face watches, which is again a great thing. And unlock screen. Go to settings, setup screen unlock, and tap smart lock to unlock the phone with the watch. I'm not going to do that because I don't want my phone to be unlocked with my smartwatch. I'm not going to do that. Incoming call, yes, I want. So I'm going to give them permission. Got it. So the application will be continuously running on the background when you're using your smartwatch. So again, a good thing. So show contact information, show phone number or the name of incoming call, yes. Delay alerts, no, I don't want any sort of delay alerts. Vibrate 3 seconds, no. So already I've given out the permission. Allow Amazfit to access your contacts, allow. Allow access, yes. DND permission required. To use any feature, DND permission is required. Turning on this feature, you are able to silence phone ringtones for incoming calls on the watch. So I'm going to go to settings. Do not disturb access. Yes, Amazfit can do that. I'm going to turn it on. So this is all the setup which I've done it for the incoming calls. And this is the event reminder. That's okay. Watch alarm, I don't want it. Event reminder, tap plus button to add. So over here, if I have a remind, no, I don't want it. So app alerts, like if you want to have alerts for your WhatsApp or you can do that. Truecaller, I mean for music watch, yes, I want it for the music, so I'm going to allowing it. So design mode, no. Amazfit notifications for the Amazfit, no, I don't want it. Keep the watch. Keep the watch connected to the phone. Select apps to receive app alerts. Okay. No, I don't want it. Idle alert. Yes, I don't want it. If I want to set it for long, between 8 to 9, it will show me that please, I'm idle. Please walk. So more. In more, you have incoming SMS. I don't want it. Call notification on. Okay. That's a great thing. And find watch I've done. Discoverable is oh no. Heart activity, heart rate sharing, no off. Band location. So I'm going to wear it on my left wrist, so it's left, okay. Heart rate direction for timing, no. Run in background, no. Vibration, so weather setting is showing me. Parking restrictions, check for updates. Start recon, okay. Check for updates, I've already done that. And unpair, I don't want to do it. So these are all other settings which you are getting it. It is of the outdoor running, walking, whatever which you are doing it will be showing over here. So again, a touch, pool, climbing, dry running, skying, exercise, whatever you're doing it, you can set it and it will show you then like go. So it will track that whatever position you're going, it will track it. I know it's been a lengthier video as usual, but this is all the setup and the first unboxing of this Amazfit GTR watch. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and if you have any questions or comments, do comments below and let me know what you think about this Amazfit GTR. So don't forget to hit that red button, the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And this is Manish and I see you all in the next video.